final wishes. The Vatican releasing his will late today, saying he wanted to be buried at St.
I-share ko sa inyo ang tungkol sa iilan sa mga nalalaman natin kung pang-ilang Pope si Pope Francis, kailan siya na-elect, pang-ilan siya, no? Ganun. So, si Pope Francis ay na-elect bilang Pope noong March 13, 2013. Siya ay pang 266th Pope. So ang Pope sa Vatican o ang Pope natin ay siya yung bali highest official or kung sa Vatican City is considered an independent state, so bansa siya, ano. So very powerful. He is the leader of the church, which kung leader sa church ng Katoliko, ang membro ay 1.4 billion na members ng Roman Catholic. So, siya ipinanganak ng December 17, 1936. Okay, so alam mo naman natin na siya ay namatay noong last April 21 na Easter Monday, no? Siya yung siya yung Pope na namatay sa pinakasabay sa napaka Holy Week, Holy Week siya na namatay. Okay? So, ipakita ko sa inyo yung mga pero bago nga siya namatay, doon mo makita kung gaano niya kamahal ang mga believers, no, na nagpakita pa siya nung Easter Sunday, then kinabukasan Monday noon namatay siya. So makita natin ipapakita ko video sa inyo na after nung celebration ng Mass ng Easter Sunday, so sa usual na ginagawa niya ay umiikot pa yung mobile niya, no, para i-greet yung mga taong nasa labas ng St. Peter's Square. So ito yung pag-ikot ng mobile ng Pope Mobile, no? Kung saan makita mong kumakaway siya pero parang mahina na talaga yan, no?
As Pope Francis makes his way through the square, St. Peter's Basilica, or St. Peter's Square, excuse me, we hear the shouts and cries of people welcoming the Pope and expressing a happy Easter for everyone.
So, kinabukasan, Easter Monday, hours lang after siyang umikot nung Easter Sunday, binabalita na the passing of the Pope.
Buona Pasqua.
His voice just a whisper, wishing the Vatican with this announcement, saying Francis dedicated his entire life to his church, teaching universal love, especially toward the poorest.
Sa makikita nyo, ito na yung procession ng burial ni procession ng Pope Francis, no? Pope, no, nung doon siya ilibing sa away from St. Peter's Square. Siya lang yung Pope na ang estimate ay mahigit 200,000 hindi dyan nilibing sa loob ng people aligned to witness St. Peter's Square. Para abangan yung paglibing ng Pope.
Many times I saw the Pope and the Pope-mobile greeting the crowds, and how fitting that his final journey is in the Pope-mobile where he will be seen by so many people in Rome.
Now, Pope Francis is about to leave through the gates right here,
Yeah, this is the...
just past the place where he has been living.
That's right.
To the right is Casa Santa Marta.
Yes, that's right. He's leaving from the Porta Perugina and coming out now for that procession. We're already seeing people lining the streets as the Pope-mobile comes through.
One last opportunity for residents of Rome and visitors to get a glimpse of Pope Francis's casket, the Pope-mobile, as they head to Basilica Santa Maria Maggiore.
You can hear just the clapping, the cheering. As we were saying before, the mood is quite joyful. It's one of gratitude and chance to say a final goodbye.
You see the Colosseum obviously there to your left. Again, this is something none of us have seen before, a procession like this with the Pope through the streets of Rome, through past the Colosseum, from all over Italy and elsewhere, standing on this glorious day to see this man that they so love.
There's never been a funeral procession.
So,
for
yun
Pope
lang
in a
muna i-share
Pope-mobile.
ko sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa support ninyo. Thank you.